have amazing capsule farm animals. These are magic capsules. When we put it into the hot water, it becomes an animal. Let's see how it works. Here.
Wow, they're colorful capsules.
Yes. Where is one? Let's dip them into the water.
It's a capsule. Let's guess what animal this might be. Can you guess?
Cow.
You?
Duck. Horse. Rabbit.
Okay, let's see who is correct.
Here are the animals.
Wow, nice. So after it gets opened, we can see which animal it is.
It's opening.
Wow!
Duck.
Wow!
I'm right.
Wow, Varshney is right.
Oh.
Awesome. Next it is Varshini's turn. Put one drop, one tablet. Oh, it's a pink tablet. Now let's start guessing again.
Pig.
Pig. Okay, you.
Donkey. Sheep. Rabbit.
Okay. Let's see which animal it is. Yeah, it is starting to get. Wow.
What it might be?
Don't know. Let's see who is correct. Wow. It's opening.
Yes.
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 Wow.
What is it? Pig.
Yes, it is a pig. Who is correct?
I'm correct.
Unnati is correct now. Okay, now it's Unnati's turn to put a tablet.
Okay, green.
Okay, it's green tablet. Again, let's start guessing.
Horse.
Okay,
Rooster.
okay,
Goose.
okay.
Cow.
Okay, let's see. Wow. It's opening. Wow. Legs. I think it's a rooster.
Yes.
No, it's a sheep.
No.
Everyone is wrong. Okay, now it's Trishta's turn. Take a blue tablet.
Blue. Yes.
Okay, Trishta put the blue tablets and start guessing again. Unnati.
Rooster.
Okay,
Goose.
okay.
Turkey.
Turkey. Okay, what about you? What about you?
Goat. Goat.
Okay, let's see. It's opening! Woo! It's a rabbit, I think.
Yes. No.
Okay, let's see after the opening. Wow!
It's a goat.
Trishta is correct. Well done.
Now I will put one tablet.
Okay, guys, you carry on playing. Okay? Bye.
Bye.
Enjoy the game.